pick it up, and start again. You've got a second chance, you could go home, escape it all, it's just irrelevant. It's just medicine. It's just medicine. You could still be what you want to, what you said you were when I met you.
Yeah. At times I don't know where I'm going. I'm stuck looking back where I've been. All these friends who say they supported you suddenly vanish with the wind. When you've got nothing to lose and expected to lose, who do you look to then? When everybody wants something, who can you really call a friend? Late night stressing cause I'm guessing, can happiness ever last? Cause there's times it's really here but remains inside the past. I've given everything I've got but I always seem to crash. If life really gives you lessons then I'm failing the class. Damn, so let me start again. I've been losing this sight again, been running close to empty. Don't think I can start this car again. It's hard to achieve when no